Accompt makes it easy to track multiple income streams so you can understand your earnings at a glance. Income is tracked by user, income source, and category. Each income source is assigned to a specific user, and a user can have multiple sources of income. In the income settings, you can view all income sources that are being tracked, grouped by user. Income sources are also placed into one of 5 income categories, which can be viewed on the Categories tab. These categories help keep your income sources organized and allow the app to generate clearer charts and comparisons. Within each source category are subcategories. These subcategories are used to categorize income transactions. The 5 main income categories can be turned on or off depending on whether they apply to your situation. You can rename a category if needed, but keep in mind that changing a category name will update it for every income source that belongs to that category. While the main categories cannot be created or removed, the transaction subcategories inside them are fully customizable. You can add, edit, or delete subcategories to better match the types of income you receive. This structure helps keep income tracking consistent while still giving you the flexibility to organize transactions in a way that fits your household. When you record an income transaction, you choose one of these subcategories to describe the type of income it is. The available options automatically match the category of the income source you selected. This keeps your records organized and prevents transactions from being labeled incorrectly. To add a new income source, open the Income section on the Settings page and find the user who you want to set up the income for. Then click Add Account. In the form that appears, start by giving the income source a clear, recognizable name. This could be something like an employer, a client, or any place the income comes from. Then choose the category that best fits that source of income. Next, choose a color for the account. This color will be used to represent that income source in charts and graphs, making it easier to recognize when reviewing your data. Once everything looks good, click Save, and you're ready to start tracking income from that source. From here, you can start building a clear picture of your income over time. Congratulations on taking the first step toward a clearer financial picture. Welcome to Accompt.